In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Squarespace website. Whether you're showcasing your latest project, launching a brand new product, or simply wanting to share your artistic vision with the world, knowing how to easily share your site is a valuable skill. First, let's begin by navigating to your website's homepage. This is the starting point where your visitors will land and begin their journey through your creative or business pursuits. Looking at your browser's address bar, you'll find the URL of your website prominently displayed. This unique URL is essentially your site's address on the web, the digital equivalent of your home address in the physical world. To share your site, you need to copy this URL so it can be pasted into emails, social media posts, or any other platform you choose. To do this, simply click on the address bar where your URL is displayed. You'll notice that the text becomes highlighted, indicating that it's ready to be copied. Next, right-click on the highlighted text. A menu will appear, offering the option to copy. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac to copy the URL to your clipboard. Once the URL is copied, it's safely stored for you to use wherever necessary. Remember that your site URL is a direct link to your online presence. Sharing it is like handing out invitations to a virtual event. Whether you're communicating digitally with friends, colleagues, or potential clients, having your site URL ready to share makes spreading the word about your Squarespace website both quick and efficient. Now that you have the URL safely stashed on your clipboard, you can paste it into a message or post by right-clicking in the location where you want to place the link. Choose Paste from the menu, or use the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. And there you have it. Your site is now shared with your audience. This simple action is a gateway to broadening your reach and connecting with others, helping to drive traffic and engagement to your website. With your link shared, people can easily find and explore your site. Keep in mind that every visit to your site can lead to a new opportunity, whether it's building your brand, sharing your message, or growing your business. So whether you're emailing your newsletter subscribers, engaging with social media followers, or just letting your friends know about your latest endeavor, confidently sharing your Squarespace website with the world starts with just a few simple clicks. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on enhancing your online presence.